Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something fun and personalized for all you gamers out there. If you own the Asus TUF A15 from 2025, you know it's a beast of a laptop, but did you know you can customize its keyboard colors to match your setup or mood? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to make your keyboard light up just the way you want. It's super easy and will only take a few minutes, so let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure your Asus TUF A15 is powered on and you're logged into your user account. Now, open the Armoury Crate app. It's the go-to software for Asus laptops and should be pre-installed. If it's not on your desktop, you can find it in your Start menu or download it from the Microsoft Store if needed. Once Armoury Crate is open, look for the Aura Sync tab, usually located on the main dashboard. This is where all the RGB magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see options for various components, including your keyboard. Select the keyboard section to start customizing. Here comes the fun part. In the keyboard settings, you'll find a color wheel or preset options. Choose your desired color by clicking on the wheel and selecting hues, or pick from presets like rainbow effects, breathing lights, or static colors. You can even set different zones if your keyboard supports it, like making the WASD keys one color and the rest another. After you've picked your perfect setup, hit the Apply button to see it in action. Don't forget to save your profile so you can switch back to it later. If you want to get fancy, experiment with synchronization options to match your keyboard colors with other RGB components on your laptop. And there you have it. Your Asus TUF A15 keyboard is now customized to your style. This not only looks cool but can also help with visibility during late-night gaming sessions. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.